Hi, Savvy Sales community. Do you struggle with awkwardness when setting sales appointments? Do you find yourself lying to yourself and your boss about the number of appointments you may or may not have on your calendar? Well, if you're always nervous about setting sales appointment, then in this video, you're going to learn an easy 3-step process to make sales appointments painlessly. Keep watching. Hi, my name is Christine Harrington, the Savvy Sales Lady, your personal YouTube sales coach, delivering coaching and training to you through videos. Now make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss your next coaching session. But remember, stay to the end because you'll learn a bonus strategy. Are you getting responses from prospects like this? Send me some information by email, which means not interested. I'm just leaving for a meeting. I can't talk. Smoke screen for really not interested. What are you selling? And as you answer, click. I know. Here are 3 easy steps you can implement now. Step 1, disrupt their thoughts. Introduce yourself and your company, then acknowledge they're busy, because they are. I do this even when calling my friends. Hey Janine, did I catch you in the middle of something, or is this a good time to chat? Do this with your business calls as well. Well, a little more professional though, like this. Hi Jane, this is Christine Harrington with the Savvy Sales Lady. I'm sure I caught you in the middle of something. Now, step 2, explain the reason for your call. Hi Jane, this is Christine Harrington with the Savvy Sales Lady. I'm sure I caught you in the middle of something. The reason for my call is to get 20 to 30 minutes on your calendar to discuss how I can help your sales team grow by 30%. Now, step 3 is end with a question on how to accomplish the reason for your call. Would Thursday at 2 work, or is Friday at 9 a.m. better for a call? Chances are you'll get this response. What's this about? And you can answer giving the same information but stated in a different way. Well, Jane, I work with sales teams through coaching and training to increase their sales. In 20 or 30 minutes, I can share with you case studies on how I've done this with other businesses similar to yours. We can also explore how this is possible for your sales team. When are you available to have an initial conversation about increasing your sales team's performance? If the prospect expresses interest, move the conversation forward by asking, what's the best way to book time on your calendar? Or you can say, when's the best time to discuss this in more detail? Now here's the bonus strategy. When making a first-time call to a new prospect, many salespeople try to sell their product instead of selling the appointment. Refrain from answering product information questions from the prospect in that initial call. If the prospect starts down the path of asking for product information, then ask the prospect if he has 20 to 30 minutes now to discuss. It will sound something like this. The prospect will say something like, well, can you tell me about your product line? Okay, do you have 20 to 30 minutes now to discuss? If he says no, then follow with, it would be a disservice if I quickly answered your question. That's why the reason for my call is only to get an appointment that will take 20 to 30 minutes of your time. When is your next available opportunity to do this? But if the prospect does have time, then launch into your discovery call process. Now, I know I've thrown a lot at you, and if you want the scripts from this video, I've provided a link below in the description area. It's an exchange of your email address for the infographics and all the scripts. You can start using these setting sales appointments immediately. Now, I respect your email and will never sell it or exchange it. You will receive my newsletter, and if it's not your cup of tea, you can easily unsubscribe, but I think you'll like it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on your next coaching video.